Indiabulls Housing Finance has reported numbers just a while back, so let's try and understand how the quarter has been with them at the company. And we've got Mr. Gagan Banga now joining in for those details. Gagan, thanks so much for taking out the time and being with us this afternoon. How would you describe the quarter? How would you rate your own performance in the first quarter?
It has been a very strong quarter, both quantitatively as well as qualitatively. So we have reported a near 21% increase in profits to about 511 crores, which is within the guided range of 20 to 25%. And I believe we are firmly on track to achieve what we'd guided for the financial year. We've also, on the qualitative aspect, taken an industry leadership role as far as loans against property is concerned. That continues to be a reasonably important product and contributes to approximately 25% of the company's assets. And we've tied up with CRISIL to now rate each and every loan that we do on an incremental basis. This should give a good perspective to the other industry participants as well as other stakeholders as to what exactly is happening in the loan against property market. It is a growing market. It is about 1.5 crore in size already. The opportunity in front of all the market participants is over 10 lakh crores, and it is a market which is dominated by a variety of banks and housing finance companies and non-bank finance companies. So this tie-up should come in really handy. Again, on the qualitative side, we've seen a significant drop in our cost of borrowings. We've also seen about 100% of our incremental financing coming in the form of bonds. Thus, the dependence on banks is going down on an incremental basis. That should help us maintain or grow our margins. And as a strategy, we've said that we would like to keep our margins more or less stable and try and pass on most of the benefits to our customers. We did do a 20 basis points reduction in our rates last quarter, and I'm hopeful that as we continue to become more competitive, we should be able to give more benefits to our customers. So overall, I would say a very robust quarter.
Sure, Gagan. So you've spoken about a lot of different issues. I just want to drill down into some of them individually. First of all, about the lower cost of funds, which is very evident sequentially. Cost of funds has come down for you. How much has that helped in the margin picture? If you could give me the margin number for this quarter and what your projection is as we go forward.
So our guided range for spreads is between 300 and 350 basis points. We are operating well within that range. We did see about a 20 basis points reduction in the overall bond costs. This was even though GSEC yields have from March gone up by almost 12 basis points. Despite that, we saw this reduction. This is largely on the back of our incremental credit ratings and an upgrade to a AAA rating that we received last year. So sure, we continue to be very optimistic about...
Okay, I'm so sorry to just come in.